Hi, Raspberry friends. I know we've been doing a lot of how-to books this week. We've done some silly how-to books, some kind of serious ones that kind of get you in your heart, and some fun ones like how to trap a leprechaun. But today we're going to be reading a nonfiction how-to book, and this one is How to Bake a Cake, and our author is Anastasia Suen. So as we're reading today, I want you to notice that it is going in order because it's a how-to book. It's going step by step, but it also has a lot of nonfiction text features. So I want you to be thinking all the things you know about these different nonfiction books and see if you notice all the features as well. So, how to bake a cake. Right away, we have our table of contents. So we have let's celebrate, oven and pans, make the batter, bake your cake, decorate your cake, and then we also have our photo glossary. There is an index, websites to visit, and an about the author. Notice any nonfiction text features in there? Okay, let's get started. Let's celebrate. A big day is coming. You can make it a special day. You can bake a cake. It does say, ask an adult to help you. Pretty important, huh? You will need baking spray, 2½ cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2¼ teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we have all of our list of tools that we need. Measuring spoons, measuring cup, spatula. Oh, it's bolded. I wonder why. Mixing bowl, electric mixer, 2 9-inch round baking pans, oven mitts. Oh, another bold word. And cooling racks. Oven and pans. First, put the oven rack in the middle of the oven. Then turn on the oven. Must be important. There's a big star. Heat the oven to 350 degrees. And then we're going to read the caption that goes underneath our picture. Let the oven warm up while you make the cake batter. Spray both cake pans. You don't want the cake to stick to the pan. Coat it with cooking spray before you put in the batter. Always wash your hands before you start cooking. Oh, that's our #1 rule always, right guys? Make the batter. Put the sugar in the mixing bowl. Now add the eggs one at a time. Tap the egg, then crack it open. Pour out the yolk and the white. Turn on the mixer. Mix the ingredients for 1 minute. Turn the bowl as you mix. Now add the flour, oil, and milk. Add the baking powder and the vanilla. Now, mix everything together. Use the mixer again for 1 minute. Make the batter smooth. Use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. Bake your cake. Pour half of the batter into one pan, then pour the rest of the batter into the other pan. If one pan has more batter, it will take longer to bake. Tap the pans to pop any air bubbles. Put the pans into the oven. Bake for 30 minutes. Wear oven mitts so you don't burn yourself. Safety first, right guys? Is your cake ready? Test it with a toothpick. A toothpick will let you know if the inside is baked. If the inside is still gooey, put the pans back in the oven. After 2 minutes, test the middle again. Did the toothpick come out clean? Then your cake is ready. If it did not come out clean, bake it a little longer. Take the pans out of the oven. The pans will be very hot. Wear oven mitts to take the pans out. Put each layer on a rack and let them cool down. They're going to show you how to get it out. It says use a thin knife to loosen the cake from the pan. Then flip the pans over onto the rack. Decorate your cake. Now you can frost your cake. Frost the middle first, then frost the top and the sides. Use a knife to add a big scoop of frosting. Then spread it out. Repeat until the whole cake is covered. Slice and serve your cake. You have made it a special day. Now we have our photo glossary. Remember, a glossary is a list of all the new words a book teaches you and gives you the definition. So we have batter, a mixture of milk, eggs, and flour used to make cakes. Gooey, something that is sticky or soft. Mitts, padded gloves that protect your hands. Spatula, a tool with a wide, flat blade that bends. Toothpick, a small, thin piece of wood. And yolk, the yellow part of an egg. As I turn my page, we have one more text feature when we see our index, right? We can use that if we wanted to go back and repeat something. I hope you enjoyed learning how to bake a cake today. Maybe you can try it or try something else in the kitchen sometime this week or with your family. I hope that you have a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys later.